Hi mga kabeshi, ako magaganda na katulad ko. Char! So today mga kabeshi ay mag-grocery tayo sa Publix for our weekly shopping. At tignan na rin natin kung may mga good deals sila or buy one get one free. At dahil gusto rin ng ilang viewers ko sa Pilipinas malaman kung magkano ang mga prices dito sa US kapag kinonvert natin sa Philippine peso. Kaya i-convert ko na rin habang nagsha-shopping tayo. So let's go! So we need this. This is the price. No buy one take one, baby. And this is put here. So yan yung unang nakuha natin. So yan na lang. This is the price. So yan, ibabalik namin yun. Bago yung isip na mga kasama. Ito na lang daw. Yan. This, so cute. We need oatmeal. So where is the oatmeal? Here. So yan. Ito yung price niya, I believe. So, kailangan natin ito kasi hiyang sa akin to. Dahil meron akong acid reflux. So, we got that. $2.49. So, ito naman yung gatas nila is nasa $2.49. So, ito yung gatas na hinahalo ko sa smoothie ng aking asawa. So, usually, tumatagal na rin yan ng 1 week. So, ayan mga kabeshiwak, marami silang naka buy one get one dyan. Kaya lang, wala kaming kailangan dyan. So, sayang. Hindi porket buy one get one is kukuha tayo kahit hindi natin kailangan. So, pass muna tayo dyan. So, we need cream cheese. So, ito na lang. Mahal yung cream cheese nila dito. Maybe 1 or 2, maybe 2. So, bibili tayo ng cream cheese kasi gagawa tayo ng cheesecake. So, dalawa lang yung kukunin ko kasi may isang piraso pa ako doon sa bahay. At sayang, yung kanilang cream cheese is hindi siya naka-buy one get one. Is that the price? Yeah. So, ayan yung price ng kanilang butter. Nasa $3.99 and wala silang buy one get one. So sad. So, usually, hindi sila nagba-buy one get one ng butter dito. Napansin ko lang. Ayan yung price ng egg nila. $3 or $4. And then, kailangan din natin ng itlog. Tapos, kailangan namin i-check one by one kasi minsan may crack yung egg nila. So, sayang naman kung makukuha natin yung may crack. So, syempre, habang chine-check namin, minimake sure namin na maingat namin siyang chine-check para hindi mabasag yung mga itlog. So, we need also sausage. So, ito yung breakfast ng aking asawa every morning. So, usually, nilalagay namin yan sa biscuit. So, ayan yung price niya. It's $6. Yan, sausage. Kailangan natin ng sausage. Yung view ng store ng Publix. So, ayan. Meron silang buy one, get one free, pero with, para hindi natin yung kailangan. No? $5.49. So, dati itong Gatorade powder nila is naka buy one, get one. Ngayon, hindi sila naka buy one, get one. So, itong coconut water nila is nasa $4.49. So, kuha lang tayo ng isa. Buy two, get one free, pero we don't need that. This one also. Buy two, get one free. But we don't need that. So, kailangan natin ng peanut butter and jackpot kasi mayroon silang buy one, get one free. And yung naka-buy one, get one free nila is yung lang, 462 grams. And yung nakaraan na bili namin nito, yung naman nila, yung 794 grams is naka-buy one, get one free din. Pero ngayon hindi siya naka-buy one, get one free. So, itong 462 grams na lang yung aming binili. And minake sure namin mga kabeshi kung saan talaga kami makakasulit. Kasi itong dalawang garapon na tig per 62 grams, pag pinag-add mo silang dalawa, ang total niya is nasa 924 grams. Tapos, $3.41 lang yung kanyang price. Unlike dito sa 794 grams, ang kanyang price is nasa $6.99. So, dito naman sa Gatorade nila mga kabeshi, naka-buy two, get one free sila. And usually, Powerade ang binibili namin. Kasi kapag tatlo ang binili namin ay nasa $5 lang siya. So, ngayon, Gatorade ang ating bibilhin kasi naka-buy two, get one free sila. So, kapag kinompare mo sa price ng Powerade, nakatipid ka pa rin ng 42 cents. Ganun. Sayang din yon. So, let's also get a hamburger helper. Just one. And it's only $1.95. So, this will be my husband's baon lunch for work. Look at that. Beautiful flowers. So, yun lang yung mga wow! Tignan nyo yung mga pumpkin dito. Kasi, kasi fall season na dito. Look at this, baby. So now mga kabeshi, we are here at their produce section. So the fruits and veggies here at Publix are super fresh. Like us, ganon. As in, kasing fresh natin, ganon. I guess we need this lime. So I will just get 2 limes. And this is 2 for $1. So ayun, dalawa lang yung kukunin natin mga kabeshi. Ayaw ko kasi yung nabubulukan tayo ng mga ganitong bagay. Sayang kasi. So mga kabeshi, we also buy a mandarin and this is $5.49. So isang bag lang yung kukunin natin.
Wait.
This one, baby.
It's organic. It's $6.
So okay mga kabeshi, we also need raspberries. And I'm going to use this for my red velvet cake. And this is jackpot mga kabeshi because they have buy one, get one free. O diba, bongga?
It says save $5.99.
So how much?
So that's what it is. You buy one, get one.
So this is the price.
Yeah.
And how about that? 3 for 10. So, of course mga kabeshi, let's make sure we get fresh raspberries, ganon. So, hindi porket buy one get one free, does not mean we should buy it right away without checking first, ganon. Babe, smile. Red. No. So, these are the fresh meat mga kabeshi here at Publix. So, ayan, super dami nilang mga meat dito. You can choose whatever you want. Then pork. So mga kabeshi, all we need here is ground beef. So this ground beef is only 1 pound and this is only 10.59 mga kabeshi. So ito naman yung seafood section nila dito sa Publix mga kabeshi. And you know what mga kabeshi? Their seafood here is really fresh mga kabeshi. Ganon. But it's a little expensive mga kabeshi, as in, wow. So look at this salmon mga kabeshi. It's $7.99 one piece. So I guess we'll just grab one mga kabeshi because my goodness, it's so really expensive, as in bongga. Charot. Bibili din tayo ng ham. Yun yung aking asawa. $4.71. Oops.
Did I get the Publix before?
That one.
I didn't like that one.
So this roast beef mga kabeshi, it's only $4.71. Dito na lang. Next, banana. We need banana. So, check out these bananas mga kabeshi. The organic ones are more expensive. So, this organic mga kabeshi is 82 cents per pound while the non-organic ones are 59 cents per pound mga kabeshi. So, we just got 6 bananas and this is $1.32 mga kabeshi. So, alam niyo ba mga kabeshi na ang mga saging nila dito sa Amerika, para sa akin ay hindi sila mahal. So, sulit. So mga kabeshi, I'm craving tofu. So we are going to buy some tofu. And I don't know why I can't find non-organic tofu. So let's just grab this organic one. So let's get some potato. I will just get one mga kabeshi because honestly, I don't know what I'm going with this potato. So this is the price of parsley, $1.49. So let's put this in the plastic brand, char. So this is everything we got. It's just a few things. And I wonder what the total price will be mga kabeshi. So let's find out mga kabeshi. Let's go. Bebo, how you gonna cook this? Yan, check out na tayo. So this is it, pansit mga kabeshi. So the total for what we bought today is $106. But wait mga kabeshi, naalala ko pala na bago kami nagpunta sa Publix, dumaan muna kami sa dollar store. Kasi naghahanap kami ng patungan ng cake. Kaya lang wala sila. And then we decided na doon na lang bumili ng tinapay kasi mas mura doon yung tinapay nila sa dollar store compared sa Publix. But sadly to say, naka 1 buy get 1 free yung tinapay nila sa Publix. So sad. So yun. Tapos, nakabili din kami ng 2 pirasong Trivets, $3 yan. And then, we've got Coffee Mate, tapos Jolly Rancher. So, ang total ng nabili namin doon sa dollar store is $17.56. So that's it for our weekly grocery shopping mga kabeshi. So mayroon din tayong nakita or nahanap na good deals today, lalo na yung mga naka-buy one get one free. So for me mga kabeshi, it's always fun checking the prices and comparing where we can save the most. And I hope you enjoyed shopping with me today. So mga kabeshi, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss our next grocery trip. See you again next week. Happy shopping everyone. Bye!